Hello, hello. I am so happy to see you guys, even though I can't actually see you. You know what I mean. I'm happy you are here. I'm happy you clicked on this video. So today we are doing a tutorial with the Morphe 35U Gilded Desert Palette. We try several shades. If I could talk, that would be great. We try several shades. We of course do this look. It's a mix of warms and cools. I was so happy to see cools in this palette. I hope you guys are doing well. If you're new here, I want you to know I use all natural lighting. So what you see is what you get here. You're gonna see these shades exactly as they are. And then if we do, you know, foundation reviews, this or that, you're gonna see my skin and how it covers it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy and let's hop in. Okay, so this has a mix of warm and cool. I think I wanna stay more towards the cool side, but you guys, these shades, this Dawn to Dusk and Molten, they're just screaming my name. So I'm not gonna guarantee that we're gonna stay on the cool side. We might use both, who knows. But first I'm gonna start out with Sandstorm. I'm gonna get in here really up close and personal so you can see exactly what I'm doing and how everything is performing. Okay, this one's even darker than I thought it was going to be. And just bear with me because I have not had eyeshadow on in a while. It's been a while. So it might take me a minute to get back in the groove of things and the flick of the wrist. So just bear with me. This shade is very pigmented, beautiful. You could definitely build it up and get it even more pigmented, but I want it kind of blown out. So that's why we're going to blend, and I'm not really gonna build it too much. Like I said, I don't know exactly what I want to do today, so I don't wanna go overboard. I'm gonna take a little bit of this guy right here. It might be a little bit greenish. I'm not sure. It kind of looks like it, which is, let me swatch it, because that's not the way I wanna go. Okay, doesn't look too greenish. We're gonna put this kind of in the same spot, but just a little bit lower. Okay, this one is sticking right here. It does not want to blend out right there. I'm getting it a little bit better, but yeah, it just doesn't want to move. Yeah, this one is patchy. It's stuck on this eye right there, and then here you can see it's just not wanting to blend very well. I don't know why. That first shade did perfect. Yeah, okay, we're moving on from this shade. It does not want to blend. I'm gonna grab Getting Warmer right here and just put that above everything. Like I said, just to give us a nice kind of blown out look. All right, we're going to mix it up and we are gonna go in with Molten. We'll see how this works. It may not work incredibly well where we are so cool, but we're gonna try it. I just have to see this shade. I'm gonna take this one down on the corner and then up. We're trying to cover that little boo-boo spot there too, so we will see. I'm gonna kind of lay it down, then I'm gonna grab a different brush to blend it out with. The shade's very pretty. Very pretty. Okay, now just a different brush. We're gonna start blending, kind of swirling, moving it around a bit. I think on the other eye where it kind of stuck, it's just not working well. And then with this shade, it's kind of blending away. I'm gonna put some more on this brush. Yeah, this one's not performing like I would want it to either. Once you start blending, it's really taking the pigment away. Even on this brush. It could be just where I had those other shades down. It's just not mixing with them well. I'm curious to try this again on its own. I've kind of had to really move it around now to get it to show up. Just gonna grab my other brush here. Just blend these edges. I'm gonna take a little bit of In the Shade right here. And we're just gonna focus that again on the outer corner, but I'm not going to blend this one super well. I mean, I'm gonna blend it, but not all over like we did with the Molten shade. Just for a little bit of definition on the outer corner. This one seems to be doing really well, not blending away. I like it. I like this one. I am going to take my little brush, go back in with the Molten shade, and just kind of do it right in this area. Not over blending it, so it's not blending away. Yeah, definitely the more you blend on this one, the more it just really blends away. Which sucks, but we can get it somewhere. Let's do some swatches of these shimmers. You guys can see this one's completely broken, but let's do a few swatches. Oof, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, these are stunning. I really love these super light ones. I think I'm gonna go with that, but like this shade's gorgeous. These are nice. The shimmers in this palette are really, really pretty. So I'm gonna take Naked Ambition right here, but then I'll probably go in with Naturally Radiant as well. But we're gonna start with this one. Very pretty, very smooth, just perfect. You guys can see, super pigmented right off the bat. I did not build it up at all. It's just one go with the finger. All right, now I'm gonna take Naturally Radiant and I'm gonna put it just right in the corner, just for a little extra oomph. These are gorgeous. Like that really brought it for me. Okay, I'm going to, I don't know if I want to go back in with In the Shade. There is a pure black in here, right here. I don't know. I think I'm gonna take a little bit of this one right here. Put a little bit of that on the outer corner. Just not as cool as the other one. Still very pretty, very deep. Does its job, I'll say. I want something in this area. I'm so tempted to use this, but then we'd be pretty well just straight warm. And these two, what a gorgeous look that would make. I'm gonna take this one right, where did it go? Oh, I was gonna take this guy right here, but it's got that shimmer in it that I do not like. Darn it. Try this guy. Just right on the edge. Just to give us a little bit more there. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. There is a pure white, which looks to be a pure white. That'd be beautiful on the lid with just a straight up matte look. Oh, it looks so pigmented. And then we have this one over here, the 24K Glow. Not sure why they called a matte that. Yeah, so this one's your more straight up white, and then you have this one which is more of a pink tone. All right, I am going to take this one, and that's what we're gonna highlight the brow bone with. I'm gonna take a little bit of that same shade and put it in this area. I just don't like a lot of darkness there. That's just personal preference. Okay, I'm liking it. I think I'm gonna use some different colors on the lower lash line just to see what we can get. But yes, I am going to hop off here, do the rest of the face, and then we'll be back. Okay, hair is down. I'm just letting it air dry. It's just doing what it's doing. But yeah, the rest of the face is done. Let's go ahead and do our bottom lash line. If I can find any brushes, that would be wonderful. I really need to get my crap together, you guys. I cannot find any of my normal brushes, but yes. Let's see what I want to put. I think I want to go a little bit warmer. I'm going to use, no, which one do I want? Yeah, I'm going to do it. Let's do Dawn to Dusk right here. And we're just going to put that, let me get all this hair out of the way, right on the lower lash. I don't want to go like too heavy with it. And then we'll have to use a cooler tone to kind of mix in with the top. And then I'm going to take a really itty bitty pencil brush and we're going to go in within the shade right here. It's the darker one that we used on top. But I'm only taking this one about a little more than halfway. I'm not taking it all the way in. If you don't have an itty bitty pencil brush, you need one. You need one in your life. It does so much. It does. Okay, an inner corner. I'm gonna try the white, just the matte white. I'm gonna try it first. If it doesn't work, then we'll change it. Ooh, I think I like it, you guys. I think I like it. We have such a light lid. I like it. Okay, so this is our finished look. I think it looks really good. We had a couple issues with a couple of the shades. The one just did not want to blend, and the other one kind of blended away. So I'm gonna keep using this palette. I'll update you, but Morphe palettes this size typically are really good. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, I hope you subscribe and click that bell, and I hope you come back for the next one. Bye guys.